Hello guys, welcome to Singh Unboxing. In this video, we will be talking about Degree Equivalency Tool. This is a tool available from WES wherein you can check if your degree is validated or not. Let's get into detail about this tool. Subscribe to Singh Unboxing for more videos on Canada. Open a browser and go to wes.org/ca. World Education Services is one of the leading credential assessment organizations. Under Tools and Advice, click on Free Tools. Here is the Degree Equivalency Tool. Click on Preview Your Degree. Using this tool, you can check how your credentials compare to Canadian standards. Please note that this is just for reference and not to be considered as final. Some approved colleges, universities, degrees or diploma might not appear in the list. Let's begin with entering contact information. This email is where you will receive the final result. Now press continue. This is the screen where we will enter our existing credentials. I will begin with adding my graduation degree. After selecting the country of education, now we have to select the name of the degree, which is Bachelor of Commerce in this case. After entering this, we have an option to enter the major, which is not a mandatory field. Now I will be adding the number of years. Now I have an option to enter degree class or division, and after this we get a very important option, which is search for university. You can enter your college or your university here to check if it is accredited or not. Although this list might not be final, but this can act as a reassurance that your university is accredited by WES. As you can see, University of Delhi exists in this list. Now I will add a new credential from some other university to see if it shows up in this list or not. Searching for my university, Bharati Vidyapeeth, shows up in this list. So this gives me a reassurance that this university is accredited by WES. Clicking on continue will give us a summary of all the credentials we have entered, and further clicking on continue shows the equivalent value of our degree or diploma in Canadian standards. Upon pressing finish, you will get these results in your mailbox and a link to apply for WES evaluation. We will make another video on how to apply for WES Credential Evaluation. Subscribe to Singh Unboxing and I'll see you in the next video.